It's the time for the package from China. Let's go. Time for a package from China. And we got the Mini G1 classic family and arcade games from Mind Kids. It comes in a pretty funny box, and yes people, we don't have to wait. The Sega Mini Classic is finally here. We're here in the dark, and I'm alone with you guys. So, alright, let's power on the system. Does it have the... What is this? Normally it has this freaking depressing song. Oh yeah, love this funky groove. Oh, the main menu is really nice. It got some good games. Nice. Never played this game. Cyborg Justice. Double Clutch. All the Double Dragon games are on it. Alright, you can use the right at the D-pad for skipping to the next list. Hellfire is a really nice game. We even got Mortal Kombat. The little thumbnails are really awesome at the bottom. Do 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 do. Dun 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 dun. Ooh, Sonic 1 and 2. Street of Rage 2. Street of Rage 3. It got all three of them. Oh, that is really nice. Sunset Riders, nice. What's this? Oh, the fighting game! Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god, I got both turtle games. I'm so excited now. Alright people, let's do some gameplay. I'm so curious, how are the game running?
Live from your grave.
Fight! Get over here! Come on and fight! Fight! Come on and fight!
That it doesn't have HDMI out. Beside that, I think that the emulation itself is one of the best I have seen when it comes to these weird minis or let's say normal Sega Classic clones. Nothing beats the real deal, that's just one thing I just want to point out. But it's not a really bad product, and let's say in overall like the controllers are pretty good and the emulation is not that bad. Nevertheless, I want to thank you for watching, consider subscribing, hit the bell, become one of the Wicked family, and we'll see you in the next video. That would be cool. So don't forget to hit that little bell.